My name is Sal Impastato. Cooking, Sal Judy, that's my favorite thing to do. I grew up in Sicily, a little town called Sicily. Grew up with my family in Sicily. It was wonderful. And we have it. Our farm, we would go grape and olive oil, we're making olive oil. We have a cow making cheese, our farm. And we have a lot of people working on the farm. And when it was the time to pick the grape to make a wine, we had a bunch of people. So we all cook for all these people. We cook them, we feed them, and we grow our own tomato and most of the vegetables, we was growing stuff. Enjoyed cooking when I was 10, 11 years old. We grew up on it. We can't wait till all the people come on the farm and we're cooking for them. If you're not a good cook, you should buy my sauce. I make a good cook.